Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you one simple trick to keep white text in watercolor background. This hack changed my cards forever, yet it's so simple and easy. Step 1. Start by drawing out your text on a sheet of paper that is the size of your card. Here, I'm using lined paper for easy use. Turn over your sheet, then use the white pastel over the writing. Make sure it covers all of it. Put the pastel side on your card and draw on the writing with a lot of pressure so that the pastel sits on the paper. Crayon works too. Look at the magic! Our crucial step is done. The reason why I used pastel is because this is waterproof, and when watercolor is brushed on it, the area will stay untouched. Mixed Verdian and Prussian blue and put a light layer on the wet paper first. No effort at all, and you can use this for burst to make the text visible. Put opaque washes around it like shadows. I worked into layers using the wet on wet technique. Put simple borders with marker for aesthetic looks. Make your text much better by adding thin shadows with a sharpie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.